Out here at the Dunloring Metro at Gallows and Prosperity, the construction project here, this development, is scheduled to last about 4 years. For that development, they've taken away one of the crosswalks on the north side of Prosperity Avenue. That is an area that pedestrians frequently use to get to the Metro, and since that area is now part of the construction zone, they are forced to cross further down the block, which they aren't just not doing. They're crossing in the middle of the block once they can get around it. Pedestrians, in order to protect themselves when crossing the street, the best thing they can do is pay attention, as well as cross in the designated areas where they're supposed to. Drivers are not expecting to see them in mid-block and around corners and around curves. They're expected to see them in crosswalks. So the best thing they can do, I think, is to be in those crosswalks, but to also pay attention to their surroundings. Drivers need to be aware if they're in an area that has high pedestrian population and a high congestion of pedestrian crossings, and they need to act accordingly and just pay attention to the crosswalks. Look maybe further down the road, see if pedestrians are going to enter those crosswalks, and then and be able to stop in time and allow them to cross safely.
Fairfax County participates in the annual Street Smart campaign, coordinated by the National Capital Regional Transportation Planning Board. This program is a public education, awareness, and behavioral change campaign for Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, with the goal of improving pedestrian and bicyclist safety. To learn more about this program, please visit the Metropolitan Washington Council of Governments website.